My name is Brighton Matambo. I'm an M1 student in Unit 19. The title of my project is called The Sleep Institute. This project explores ways in which human beings are rendered asleep. In particular, makes sense of architecture's complexity in creating repetition and rhythm of structuring elements, which in turn dull our senses and produce habits and patterns of behavior. The main aim of the project is to answer the question, can architecture be used to awaken people from what it has dulled and in the process awaken them to the supernatural forces and conditions at play? The project is sectioned into 3 sections. The first section, which is the site exploration, study how human beings are rendered asleep in general and how the site, which is Church Square in this particular case, is rendering people asleep. The second section, which is the main research section, unpacks techniques used to render us asleep. It focuses more on how architecture has succeeded in producing habits and patterns of behavior. It also focuses on ways to awaken people from this sleep mode. The third section is the design proposition. The proposition is in the form of a carnival festival to be held at Church Square annually in the month of March. The Carnival Festival has been characterized by expressing of freedom, slaves dressed up in their master's costume to defy the odds. This celebration will be in 2 parts. The first part of the celebration will be to play the quiz game, which is set out to explore positions of symbols around the site. It also explores the judicial and commercial building dominating the site and exploring the relationship these buildings have with each other and how they influence each other in the running of the government. The last part of the quiz explores the relationship these symbols have with the buildings that are around the site. Thereafter, you'll be required to go and experience the totem. The totem is the last part of the experience, and you'll be required to have obtained 10 points from the quiz game. The totem allows you to interact with the symbols around the site at different levels relating to how they are positioned on site. It then takes you into the ground to escape from imprisonment through 2 chambers, which is the first chamber and the second chamber. The first chamber is the shallow one, close to the ground, and the second chamber is the deepest one, which leads you to escape. Thank you.